What if you could study half as much and still get better grades? No expensive tutors, no boring hours staring at textbooks, no all-night study sessions that leave you exhausted. In this video, I am going to show you 5 free AI tools that every student needs to know right now. Whether you are in high school, college, or university, these tools will change the way you study forever. Stay till the end because tool number 5 is the one top students are already using, and most teachers do not even know it exists yet. Welcome back to AI Hub Prompt, where we show you the best free AI tools that make real life easier. If you are new here, every week we cover practical AI tools that anyone can use. Hit subscribe so you never miss a video. Now, let's talk about studying. The average student spends 6 to 8 hours per day studying, but only remembers about 20% of what they read. That is not a time problem. That is a method problem. And in 2026, AI fixes the method completely. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, ChatGPT as your personal study planner. Most students study randomly. They open a book, read for an hour, then wonder why nothing sticks. The problem is, they have no system. ChatGPT creates the perfect study system for you in 30 seconds. Here is the prompt. Open ChatGPT and type, "I am a high school college student. My exam is on date. The subjects I need to study are," list your subjects. I can study X hours per day, create a complete study schedule from today until my exam. Use the Pomodoro technique and include breaks. Make it realistic and not overwhelming. ChatGPT gives you a day-by-day study plan, which subject to study on which day, how long to study each topic, when to take breaks, and when to do revision. You can also ask which topics and subject are most important for exams, and focus only on what actually gets tested. This alone cuts your study time in half. Tool number 2, ChatGPT for writing better essays and assignments. Let me be very clear about something. I am not saying use AI to cheat. I am saying use AI to become a better writer, which is completely different. Here is how smart students use it. First, write your own draft. Then paste it into ChatGPT and type, "Here is my essay draft." Paste your essay. Please review it and tell me, what are the weak points? Where is my argument unclear? How can I improve the introduction and conclusion? Give me specific suggestions. Do not rewrite it for me. ChatGPT acts like a personal writing tutor. It spots weak arguments. It tells you where your logic breaks down. It suggests better ways to phrase your ideas. You can also use it to understand difficult topics. Type, "Explain difficult concept to me like I am 15 years old." Use a simple real-life example. Complex topics become simple in seconds. Tool number 3, using AI to create flashcards and practice quizzes. Research shows that testing yourself is the most effective way to memorize information. More effective than rereading, more effective than highlighting. But making flashcards takes hours. AI makes them in seconds. Here is the prompt. Here are my notes on topic. Paste your notes. Create 20 flashcard questions and answers from these notes. Then create a 10-question quiz with multiple choice options. Include the correct answers at the end. ChatGPT creates a complete set of flashcards and a practice quiz from your own notes. You can print them, save them, or just test yourself directly in the chat. You can also ask, "Give me 10 likely exam questions on topic and model answers for each." This is like having last year's exam paper, but for any topic, completely free. Tool number 4, AI as your personal research assistant. Every student knows the pain of research. You spend 3 hours reading articles that are either too complicated or not relevant. AI cuts that time to 10 minutes. Use this prompt for any research topic. I am writing a research paper on topic. Give me the 5 most important points I should cover, 3 strong arguments for and against, key statistics and facts I should include, and suggest 5 reliable sources I should look up. My paper should be X words long. ChatGPT gives you a complete research roadmap. You still do the reading and writing, but now you know exactly what to look for and where to look. You can also paste a complicated research article into ChatGPT and ask, "Summarize this in simple language and pull out the 5 most important points." Hours of reading done in 30 seconds. Tool number 5, and this one goes beyond grades. Most students focus only on studying, but the students who succeed also build their future while they study. In 2026, AI helps you do that for free. For scholarships, use this prompt. I am applying for a scholarship. The requirements are: paste scholarship details. My background is, describe yourself, achievements, goals. Write me a compelling personal statement that highlights my strengths and makes me stand out. Keep it under X words. ChatGPT writes a powerful scholarship essay tailored to your specific background. Students using this method have won scholarships worth thousands of dollars. For career planning, ask, I am studying your subject. What are the top 5 career paths available to me? What skills should I build now while still in school? What free online courses or certifications would make my CV stand out? ChatGPT gives you a complete career roadmap, completely free, better than most paid career counselors. Quick pause. If these tools are helping you, hit the like button right now. I am putting all 5 ChatGPT prompts from this video in the pinned comment below, completely free. Go grab them after the video. So there you have it, 5 free AI tools every student needs right now. AI Study Planner, Essay Reviewer, Flashcard and Quizmaker, Research Assistant, and Scholarship and Career Helper. The students who learn to use AI correctly right now will have a massive advantage over everyone else for the rest of their lives. The ones who ignore it will be left behind. If you want more videos like this, subscribe. Next week I am covering how to use AI to get a better job, write the perfect CV, and ace any interview. Do not miss that one. See you in the next one.